Hyena is an animal. Hyena lives with a dog that 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 7 tails. It has black spots in its body. Tiger is a white animal. Tiger is a national animal. I like lion. Lion is king of the forest. Lion has big head. Lion has short teeth. Lion eats other animals. Lion roars. Cheetah is the fastest land animal. Cheetah has amazing eyesight during the day. Cheetah cannot climb trees. Cheetah don't float but make small hissing sound. Cheetah have poor night vision. The wild animal live in forest. They move from one place to another place. They eat flesh. Lion is a king of forest. Tiger is national animal of India. It has orange skin with stripes. It is very fast speed animal. It is a good swim also. Elephant is largest wild animals. It is rain colors. I love elephant. Lion is a wild animal. It lives in the jungle. It is called the king of the jungle. It has a long and large body. It has a sharp teeth. Wild animals live in forests. They are dangerous. They kill other animals for their food. Lion, cheetah, elephant are wild animals. We should protect wild animals. Tiger runs fast. Elephant is big. Zebra is black and white color. Lion is a wild animal, king of forest. Wild animal live in the forest. Wild animal hunt for food. Wild animal move one place to another place. The giraffe is the tallest animal.